Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to insert an SD card into your EUFY S350 indoor cam. So the first thing we're going to do is take our camera right here and look under it to find this little latch right here. So open it up, and this is where you can insert your SD card into. So once you insert it, you will also, in your app, in your EUFY app, which you have to connect to the camera, it's going to notify you that the new micro SD card has been detected, and you're going to have to format it to use it. So once you click on format, it should start formatting, and your camera will be ready to use. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.